Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to connect your Java program to database. So in this video I'm going to use MySQL database. So we will see how our Java program can be connected to the database. Which are the steps required for the connection of the Java program to the database, and which are the components which we need to know. So this is my first video for JDBC program. So in this video I will explain a program to check whether your Java program is connected to the database or not. So let's start. So let's say this is our database, and this is your Java application. This is my Java application. And this is my database. And let's say if we want to connect our Java application with the database, so what do we need? So to connect my Java application with this database, so in this case I'm using MySQL database. So the database I'm using is MySQL. So if I want to connect my Java application with the database, so which are the steps required? So first of all, so our Java application will not understand MySQL language. So in order to communicate between the Java application and the database, there needs to be a driver. Needs to be a translator. So the translator is driver, which is the driver. So by using the driver, we will be able to communicate from Java application to the database. So this is my driver. So we need to download the driver in order to make the communication between the Java application and database, because my Java application will only understand the Java language, and the database, my SQL database, will only understand SQL language. Okay, so in order to communicate between these two, we need to have a driver. So driver will be a translator here, which will convert our Java code into SQL language and give it to the database, and database will process that and give the result back to the Java application. So first of all, we need a driver. Then we need a first of all we need the driver here, and then we need to create a connection between these two from the Java application to the database. Okay, so you need to download this driver. So first of all, I'll go to Chrome, and here I need to install, since I'm using MySQL database here, so I need to install MySQL jar. I need to install MySQL jar, that is a connector, MySQL connector jar. So you can install your MySQL connector jar from here. You can choose your operating system. Depending on the operating system, you can download that. So this one is for Windows, and you need to make sure that you are using the current version of MySQL. So from here, this is for Windows. You can download it from here. So once it is downloaded, then I have already downloaded it in my system. So if you want to download it, then you can download it from here. Now let's begin the program. So I will go to my Java Eclipse. I will go to Eclipse and I will create a new project from here. So I will give the name as my JDBC program, and I will finish this one. I'll create a new file, new class, inside the same folder, my JDBC. This that. Okay, and I'll give it a package name. Let's say com.jdbc dot program, and I'll give it a name. Let's say check connection dot java. So this is my first program. So in this program, we will check whether my Java application has been connected to the database or not. I'll write the main method. So the first step to connect your application, Java application through database is by loading the driver. So first of all, I need to load the driver. So I'll write the steps. Step 1, load the driver, load and register the driver. Register the driver. So by using class.forName, I can load the driver here. So the driver name is com.jdbc.mysql. It's com.mysql.jdbc.driver. So this is our driver. This is a driver for MySQL. So this class.forName will throw an exception, that is class not found exception. So I need to include that. I will throw the declaration. So once our driver has been registered, then I can print a message here. I will print one message. Let's say I will print driver loaded successfully. Now the next step is is to connect the is is the connection between my Java application and the database. So that will be done using the connection object. Okay, so I'll create a connection from my Java application to the database using the connection object. So I will write connection con equals to driver manager dot get connection. So this driver manager is a class here, and this dot get connection is a method here. In this get connection method, I will pass the URL. It is asking me for a URL. So this URL is nothing but the URL of your MySQL server, and then the username and the password of MySQL and the respective database. So we will pass that here inside the get connection, and this is an interface here. This connection is an interface here. I need to again, this connection interface will throw exception. This will throw an exception, that is a MySQL exception. So first of all, let's give the parameters here. So this one is JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost. This is the port number 3306 is the port number of MySQL slash. Then I will give the database name. So my database name is student. So this JDBC is the JDBC API, and MySQL is the vendor specific database, and this localhost is the MySQL server name, MySQL server, and this one is the port number of MySQL 3306, and then student is our database name. So this will throw an exception here. First of all, I need to import my SQL package. Import java.sql.star. I will import all the packages present in all the classes present in SQL, java.sql, and then this will throw an error, an exception. I will add a throws declaration. So this is throwing an SQL exception. So we have by this we'll get to know that my Java application has been connected to the student database. So I will write here one message. I'll display one message here. Connected to the database successfully. And we just forgot one steps to add here. That is, go to this step. We need to add the jar in our project. So I will go to my project. This one is our project. I'll right click this. I will add the jar. I'll go to properties, and then I will go to Java build path, and from here I need to add the jar files which we just downloaded from the Chrome, that is MySQL jar. It is the MySQL jar. So I will go here and I will go here add external jars, and here is the MySQL connector jar which is present uh, in this system. It is present in this folder jar files SQL inside the C drive. I'll add the jar in my project. I'll apply and then apply and close. Now I will just save it and I will check whether my Java program has been connected to the database or not. Connection and then it is saying this is driver loaded successfully, and then last one is not coming, this one. So this one will be driver manager.get connection and then JDBC MySQL localhost 3306/student. Okay, I need to give the URL. Like this one was our URL, and then I need to give the respective username and password. So I need to give here my username and then password of my SQL. So my username is root, and then password is also root for MySQL. You can check here. So it is asking me for a password here. So that I need to provide in that. So this get connection method will accept this complete path JDBC MySQL, which is a API, and then vendor name, and then the server port number, MySQL port number, and this one database name, and then separated by a comma, and then username and then password. Then I will save it and then I will check. So now my driver has loaded successfully and it is connected to my database successfully. So now it is working fine. Now we can do the insertion and deletion. Since it has been connected to the database, now we can do the next program. Thank you.